Today, I'm going to show you how to watch Paramount Plus outside the United States step by step. If you're trying to access Paramount Plus from another country and it says the content is not available in your region, that's because the platform uses geo-restrictions. To access it from outside the US. You need a VPN. Step 1. Choose a reliable VPN service that offers US servers. Make sure it has good speed and stable connections, since streaming requires consistent bandwidth. Step 2. Download and install the VPN on your device. This can be your computer, smartphone, tablet, or even a smart TV, depending on the VPN you choose. Step 3. Open the VPN app and connect to a server located in the United States. Once the connection is active, your device will appear as if it is browsing from inside the US. Step 4. Now open your browser or the Paramount Plus app and go to the official Paramount Plus website. Log into your account as usual. If you don't have an account yet, you may need a valid payment method accepted in the US. Some users use international cards that work with US subscriptions. If the site still doesn't load correctly, clear your browser cache or open the site in an incognito window. Once connected through the US server, you should be able to access the full US library without restrictions. Keep in mind that streaming quality depends on your internet speed and the VPN server you're connected to. If you experience buffering, try switching to a different US server, and that's it. That's how you watch Paramount Plus outside the US safely and easily. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more streaming tutorials like this.